This time, let's graph the cosine function. Okay, y equals cosine x for this given equation. So we have already given the increments here, just like in the uh, sine function, sine equation above. All right, so now let's use the unit circle in finding the value of our cosine. Okay, if our x is pi over 2, pi over 2 our cosine is 0. When x is pi, our x is negative 1. 3 pi over 2, our x is 0. 2 pi, our x is 1. 5 pi over 2, that is another pi over 2, right? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 5 pi over 2. And our x is 0. Then 3 pi, our x is negative 1. At 0, okay, our x is 1. Then moving now to the negative radian. So negative pi over 2 is over here. Our x is 0. Negative pi, it's negative 1. Negative 3 pi over 2, x is 0. Then what is this? Oh, it's the same. So negative 2 pi is 1. Okay, now let's graph it. If x is 0, y is 1. It's over here. If x is pi over 2, we get 0. X is pi, negative 1. X is 3 pi over 2, we get 0. 2 pi is 1. Then 5 pi over 2 is 0. Okay, this is 3 pi is negative 1. So the curve will look like this for the positive x-axis. Okay. Going to the negative x-axis, negative pi over 2, we get 0. Then negative pi, we get negative 1. Then negative 3 pi over 2, 0. Okay, here. And then at 2 pi, we get 1. Okay, so let's connect the points with the curve now. So this is our cosine function. So it's quite different from the sine function because the sine intercepts with the origin, while the cosine intercepts with y equals 1. Okay, I would like to add something here. It's just like in our sine function, we can translate it, or we can have a coefficient with our function here. Say, for example, we have y equals 2 cosine x plus 3. So if you graph that, okay, so it will be translated 3 units up. If minus 3, translated 3 units down. Its amplitude will now double, okay, because we have a factor of 2 here, or coefficient of 2 there. So by the way, this is our 3. Let's add 2 more. Okay, like that. So our sine function now will look like this. Okay, look like that. So it's being translated at y equals 3. Okay, so it's translated like that. And okay, that is the graph for y 2 cosine x plus 3. So whatever your coefficient here, the length of your wave will also increase or decrease according to the coefficient here, and the translation number here, or constant, will bring or will take your curve up or down depending on how much you add here or subtract as constant.